Hi everyone, this is Nibiru Watcher. It's August 15, 2016, and I've got some pretty good video here for you showing the shadows of planets and a very strange moon or nemesis or lighting problems. So let's just get into this. It's going to be pretty interesting. So I see this shadow of a planet here that is over in Germany in the southeast, excuse me. And then we get to see this shadow here, and let's watch this peculiar moon sunset. And notice the green that we see here. You ever wonder, where is this green coming from? I mean, after all, the moon is reflecting the sun, which is white. So why is it green? Well, see the green up here, the green coming off these beams of light. I think it's bouncing off our green planet out there on this green surface. So let's go to the next camera. I want to show you here, facing the northwest. This one's also in Germany at the same time. At 3 o'clock in the morning, it's in there for one frame, and then it disappears, and then it reappears, and that's it. Okay, exactly at 3 o'clock. That's the only time this is in this camera. Seems to match very closely with this one. This one is in Austria. So let's watch the same thing here. You can see that it moved at 3 o'clock and it's gone at 3:30. Almost the same movement at the same time of the sky. And we're all in Germany. And yet we get another one a little different time, but almost the same area, also in Germany. This one here is facing the eastern shore. And here we go with this time lapse, and it's gone as well. It stays a little longer in the frame. And if we just zoom in on this, we can almost make out the tail on this thing. So can't call it a smudge or spider on the lens. So that excuse just getting weaker, especially when it turns green and getting bigger and bigger. Next, I want to show you something even more crazier. Can't call this a spider on a lens. This one is just really bizarre, this next half. So watch the lighting on this one. Look how this is broad daylight. This is midnight. This is broad daylight. 30 minutes earlier, it's getting darker and darker. Wow, you guys aren't getting much sleep over there. Why is there so much light at midnight and then getting darker and darker? Well, I think this mystery gets even greater. Let's keep going through the cameras. Wow, here we go. Is that supposed to be a moon? Let's watch this thing go back where it came from before it set. Again, the sunset's supposed to be at 7 o'clock in the morning. What the heck's going on here? Check the moon charts. I don't know, since when does the moon look that big, right? Okay, watch this. This just might blow your mind. I mean, is this Nemesis? You know what I think this is? I think it's an Nemesis space station. That's because of all the moons that object they don't want you to see, they'll just shine this thing up to hide something else. I'm curious where the National Space Station was when this happened with their artificial star project. Really? You can't tell me that is a moon. Seriously. That's ridiculous. A moon? Look at this thing. Wow. Let's zoom that in. That cannot be the moon. And look at this next one. There's something really fishy about the way it goes behind these clouds here. That. Let's look at that shot. That just doesn't look right. Let's see if I can. Let's zoom in on that sucker. Really? Since when does the moon look like that? Where is the actual moon anyways? I mean, it's like just light. It's not even reflection. Remember, the moon's a reflected light, not a source. Look at that. All right. Actually, you're cold busted in this shot. Look how it's even shining over the mountain. I mean, seriously. Wow. Let's look at that. You got to spend some time here. This is crazy. That there is no explanation for this. Just can say that how could that be the moon? Oh boy. I wonder what the next day is going to look like in this camera. Let's go back. There's more of this too, so hang in there. Okay, 2, 3 o'clock in the morning. It's got, this thing looks like the noonday sun, bigger than the sun. Okay, let's go next camera. And let's see where this, hold on, let me figure out where this one's at. This is pretty crazy surroundings map. So here is this camera facing the southwest, right? And this looks like it's over Austria. Yep, facing the southwest. So I found some other southwest cameras using this map, by the way. So let's look at some of these. What the heck is going on with this? Is that the moon? Again, if it is the moon, the Earth is severely tilted because that's not supposed to be the moon at this hour. So here's the same alleged moon. Let's zoom in on this. By the way, when you zoom in, you get rid of this little. No, it's actually on this one. And look at this curve here, man. What the heck's going on with that? Okay. And then here's a good one here. This is night and day before the. See the light? This is 3. This is 11:20 at night. Where's all this light coming from? Well, we just showed you earlier. Must be really hard to sleep at night when you can't get any night, like there's too many suns and reflected light going off out there. Look at that. Come on, man. Look at, you see this? It's just 11:50 at night. It's brighter than the daylight. And then 20 minutes later, it goes dark again? Seriously? Yeah, you're going to blame this on a camera? How's a camera going to put light on everything, including the clouds and the sky? I mean, think, people. Okay, well. And then there's one more camera here that we're going to see. Oh, you know what? I already showed you this one, so I guess that's a wrap. Anyways, please like and share this video. Pretty getting crazy, people. Thank you for watching.